How to contact Netflix customer service. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can contact Netflix support team. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to contact Netflix customer support, just open your browser and type in Netflix customer support. So I'll type in Netflix support here. You'll find the Netflix help center from the top. Just tap on it. If you have a Netflix account, select login to your account, and then you can select what kind of issues you're having with your Netflix account. But ignore all that, scroll down and look for the option that says contact us and tap on this contact us link. Now again, you can describe the issue in whatever else you have. So I'll just select whatever issue I'm facing. And when I've done that, I'm going to just hit this arrow icon here. You can see you can try these recommendations and it will say call us button. Tap on the call us button and you can call free in their app by downloading their app, or you can simply chat with them by tapping the chat with us button and you'll be able to talk to a Netflix customer support. So this way you can go ahead and then basically contact Netflix support. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.